if you can share quickly, like, how you are doing as of now, because there are a lot of founders are looking this podcast. So I want them to know, let's say, if any service-based entrepreneur, how they think about sales and marketing, because I know you have some customers from India, you have customers from US. How you just look the sales and marketing piece.
So sales and marketing for services is a challenge, because in case of services, you are not really selling a product or you are selling a particular use case.
Yeah.
You are selling a particular service attribute.
Mm-hmm.
When I say services attribute, what is that? Is that creativity that you bring in? Is it hardcore software rigor that you bring in? Is that processes, SLA compliance or security that you are bringing in? What are you bringing in? In our case, we have focused on how do we create value in the enterprise's own context. That way, that is what is the attribute that we try to sell. And then what it really happens is, then the salesperson or our sales communication must be capable of communicating and presenting that service attribute, which in itself is abstract.
Yeah.
In a way that makes sense for a client. That makes sales a pretty difficult job for a services company. At least for the kind of services that we do. And that means salespeople need to be people who have already done stuff.
Yeah.
People who have been either business consultant or technology consultant. And once they start kind of assimilating that and bring that together, they can become good salespeople. And those are the kind of people, again, not a whole lot. Our sales team is pretty thin, maybe about 5-6 people.
Yeah.
But then those are people who have gone through that rigmarole of doing things. Now they can talk about it. So they are able to build credibility. They are able to say things that they know would happen. They are able to say things in a way that makes it credible and reliable for things. So we do not go and say things like, hey, your CRM system, if somebody is doing it in 6 months, we will be able to do it in 6 days. We don't say that.
Okay.
We say that, hey, we know that an organization's sales process can be complex, sometimes broken.
Yep.
It will take time to understand that. It will take time. So we expose the problems that are there. Yeah. We are honest about that.
Yeah.
And that makes sales difficult. And that requires training, that requires a little bit of orientation. But then, as I said, combination of these three major aspects, passion for technology, customer centricity, and growth mindset, they make a good salesperson.
Correct, 100%.
And
execution is the key. Every single day we have to fight for new things. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So that's the great thing about being in services. We do not solve problems that have already been solved.
Yeah.
It's technology. If somebody has solved the problem, all that you have to do is copy and paste.
Copy and paste, 100%.
So we are solving new problems every day. We are doing something new every day. We are selling something new every day. So that's and that is the difference between looking at a product GTM to a services GTM.
Service GTM.
I'm not selling a particular use case.
Yeah.
I'm selling a service attribute.